Hi there, I'm so thrilled that you're here. If you're here, it's probably because you've heard about castor oil packs, love castor oil packs, or want to do castor oil packs. I'm Dr. Marisol, naturopathic doctor, queen of the thrones, and medical mystic. Castor oil packs are, in my opinion, the foundation of healing. When I look at castor oil packs, they're so simple to do, but what was missing in the past was a simple way to do them. That's the reason I created the Queen of the Thrones Castor Oil Packs, to make this ancient, time-honored, scientifically supported, clinically practiced, and patient-preferred practice doable for absolutely everyone. The castor oil packs are super simple to do. All you do is take the Queen of the Thrones Castor Oil Pack. You pour, if it's the first time using the pack, 2 tablespoons. After each time you do the pack, use less and less oil. Please remember that. That is super, super important. After placing the oil on the pack, simply blot the pack and place it on your right side underneath of your rib cage. Basically, this is over the liver. But you can really use your castor oil pack anywhere where you have pain, on your hip, on your lower back. Really, the possibilities are endless, and this is one of the things that I love so much about the castor oil packs. That's how easy they are to do. It takes under 2 minutes, and castor oil packs are typically practiced for at least a minimum of 1 hour every evening, or you can wear them overnight, which typically gives more benefit because the longer time you have the castor oil pack on your body, well, simply the better that it is for you.